Uh, Good morning, students. Clear, sir, voice? Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the lesson. There's the moon. Lesson number 7 of your book. Please open. So we'll have the revisions of lesson number 7, the moon. Now, this lesson, first we'll have the reading, then we'll go for this questions. What are the questions are there in this? So in the page number 76 of your book, the moon. The moon is only the natural satellite of the earth. Moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. Any object moving around a planet in its orbit is called satellite. Clear, students? The any object moving in the moving around a planet in a orbit, in a orbit, it is called satellite. Now, students, there are two types of satellite: natural satellite and artificial satellite. That also we'll study in this. The moon is thought to be as old as the earth. That is about the 4.6 million years. It is about 384,400 kilometers away from the earth, and it does not have its own light, students. Like sun is having its own light, but moon is not having its own light. Correct, students? Now, but it shines because it reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. That falls on it. Life does not exist on the moon, as students, because why? Now there is a question in this: why there is no life on the surface of the moon? Because there is no air and water, no oxygen. When we talk about the air means oxygen. Oxygen is not there on the surface of moon, and there is no water, so that's why the life does not exist on the surface of moon. Now the gravity of the moon is 1 by 6th of the gravity of the earth. So if you can jump 1 meter on the earth's surface, you will be able to jump 6 meter on the moon surface. Now students, the value of the gravity, it is 1 by 6th on the surface of moon. If your weight is 60 on the surface of earth, that 1 by 6th, so means that your weight will be 10 on the surface of moon. Clear, students? Now, surface of the moon, we'll study about the surface of the moon. That on page number 77, lesson 7, the moon. Moon is made up of the rocks and dust. The surface of the moon is rough and uneven, with huge plains, mountains, valleys, and big pits called craters. Craters, they are the deep holes that are formed from the meteorites hitting the surface of the moon. That called meteorites are pieces of rocks from the outer space that hits other heavenly bodies. Most of the moon's surface is covered by the regolith, which is the mixture of, now student, regolith, it is a mixture of the fine dust particles, fine dust, and the rocky debris. The unwanted rocks and debris, okay, that is called the regolith. Regolith, produced by the meteor's impact. Now student will study about the phases of moon. Means the some of the bright portion of the moon which is visible from the earth in the different pattern, that is called the phases of moon. The appearance of moon as a seen from the earth changes as it revolves around the earth. We can see only some parts of the moon. These bright portions are phases of moon. Moon phases through 8 phases, which depends on the positions in the relation to the sun and the earth. The phases of the moon appears in cyclic, now students, cyclic manners. Now page number 78. In the cyclic manner, that starting with the new moon, that is when the moon is not visible from the earth. Over the next fortnight students, it is a period of 15 days. Period of 15 days, that's called the fortnight. We see the moon glowing from the thin crescent of to a full moon. Means there is a growing stage of the moon from crescent. Slowly it will increase, then it will change into the full moon. Again, that before vanishing from the view, the now students, the moon takes about 29.5 days to complete a cycle through all the 8 phases. This is known as the lunar month. Now, if the questions, one more questions, the period of the lunar month, the period of the lunar month, it is a 29.5 days. The moon takes from the 27.3 days to complete one revolutions around the earth. This is called Sidral's month. Now, student will study about this some tides on page number 78. Now, tides. Whenever there is a rise in the sea level, water of the sea level, then generally we used to say these are the tides occurs in the sea. Earth appears blue from the space because 2/3 part of the total Earth, it is covered with the water. It is covered with the water. Now, this is because more than 70%. Already I've said 2/3. Now they have written 70%. 70% of the surface is covered with water. Every 12 hours and so, sea rises and then falls back. This periodic rise and the fall of the water is called tide. Tides, because tides occur in the sea after every 12 hours. The movement of the ocean water is caused by the gravitational pull of the moon and the sun, and by the spinning actions of the earth. Now, students, when the water level rises, when the water level rises in the sea, this is called the high tides. जब पानी राइज हो जाता है सी में, उसको then we say that it is the high tides. Then almost 6 hours later, 6 घंटे के बाद में, earth turns into the 90 degree. The sea then falls to its lowest point. Its lowest point, and there is a low tide. There is a low tide. Highest tides occur on new moon and on full moon day. Landing on the moon. Moon is only the celestial objects on which the humans have stepped on. American spacecraft, there's Apollo 11. Apollo 11 is an American spacecraft, was launched from Kennedy Space Center at Florida. There's a Kennedy Space Center which is located in the Florida. It is in the US. That on 16th July 1969, 16th July 1969, 3 American astronauts. Now, students, you will be asking, what are the astronauts? Which are the people, those who are going into the space? They are called the astronauts. Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Again, I'll read it out, the name of the 3 astronauts. Neil Armstrong, Aldrin, and Michael Collins landed on the moon on 21st July 1969. Is it clear, students? When they landed on the surface of the moon, that is the 21st July 1969. Out. The question is there, who has first stepped down? सबसे पहले अपने कदम किसने रखे थे? जो 3 एस्ट्रोनॉट थे. Neil Armstrong is the first person who has landed on the moon. Now, students, first person who has stepped out of the moon on 21st July 1969. So he became the first man to step on. He died. He died on 21st August 2012 at the age of 82. When he was 82 years, he died. Neil Armstrong and Aldrin stayed for two and a half hours on the moon. 2.5 hours means approximately 2.5 hours. The time is given. So they stayed on the surface of the moon, students. And while the third astronauts, the Michael Collins remained in the spacecraft. Michael Collins was in the spacecraft, and another two, Neil Armstrongs and Aldrin, they stayed for 2.5 hours on the surface of the moon. Now, students, astronaut definition of astronaut is given on the page number 78 at the last. Astronaut a person who is trained to travel in the spacecraft. वो persons जो trained किया जाता है to travel on the surface of the earth in the spacecraft is called astronaut. Now, students will talk about the eclipse. Generally, there are two types of eclipses: lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. First, we'll see the eclipse. Now, before I should tell you about the eclipse, you must know there are three types of the surfaces. There are three types of the objects are there. One is opaque, one is translucent, and transparent. Now, student, if I'll talk about the transparent objects, transparent objects are those objects through which light can pass through and through. And translucent objects are those through which the light can pass through partially. Partially means 50-50. Now, students will talk about the opaque objects which do not allow the light to pass through. Is it clear, students? So you must be remembering that whenever there's any opaque objects comes in the path of light, that time shadow is formed. Is it clear, students? So you will see in this eclipse topic the something about the shadow and all. Now, students, as you know that opaque object does not allow the light to pass through. So already I told you that a shadow is formed when the path of light is blocked by an object. The shadow is always formed opposite to the light source. Student, as it is you are walking and light is coming just behind you, you will see that then your shadow is formed. Is it clear, students? The size and the shape of the shadow depends on the positions of object from the source of light. The earth and the moons are opaque objects. When sunlight falls on them, their shadow form. An eclipse is a shadow. This is the definition of student eclipse. कि eclipse क्या है, जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना ग्रहण. हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? चंद्र ग्रहण और सूर्य ग्रहण. Now, ग्रहण की actually हिंदी में ग्रहण, but English में क्या है? It is eclipse. Definition क्या है? An eclipse is a shadow. An eclipse is a shadow that makes the moon on the sun fully or partially invisible for some time. When the moon and the earth comes between, when the moon and the earth, students, is it clear? Now, it comes in the straight line with the sun. These cast a shadow on each other depending on whether the earth or the moon is in front of the sun. This is how the eclipse occur. There are two types of eclipse. Already I told you, lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, student, क्या है? देखो अर्थ कम्स इन बिटवीन दी, डायग्राम में क्या है कि अर्थ जो है वो सूर्य और चंद्रमा के बीच में अर्थ आ जाती है, तो उसको क्या कहते हैं, चंद्र ग्रहण, दैट इज कॉल्ड द लूनर एक्लिप्स। इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? लिखा भी हुआ है, देखिए मैं पढ़ रहा हूं। व्हेन द अर्थ कम्स इन बिटवीन, लिखा है ना, व्हेन अर्थ कम्स इन बिटवीन द सन एंड द मून, मींस सन और मून के बीच में क्या आएगा, अर्थ आ जाएगी, एंड इट ब्लॉक्स द स्टेट फ्रॉम द रीचिंग टू the moon, that casts its shadow on the moon. This is called the lunar eclipse or the eclipse of the moon. Lunar eclipse can be partial. Some part of the moon can be seen, or the the moon is completely hidden and occurs only on the full night. It can be viewed from with the naked eye. Every year, the at least two lunar eclipse, at least two lunar eclipse. Now students, we'll talk about the solar eclipse. Now students, solar eclipse क्या है, when moon comes between the sun and the earth, जब moon है वो आ जाता है, when moon comes between the sun and the earth, when moon comes between the sun and the earth, then it is called the solar eclipse. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth, it casts shadow on the earth's surface and partially or the wholly hides the sun. This is called the lunar eclipse. A solar eclipse takes place only on the moon days, and it is very short durations, few minutes. तो वो जो स्टूडेंट सोलर एक्लिप्स है वो बहुत कम पीरियड के लिए लगता है, ठीक है। Then for a total, the sun's complete hidden appearance of the sun is like a ring due to solar eclipse, which is called the corona, which is called the corona. देखिए यहाँ पे भी वर्ड आ गया कोरोना, आया हुआ ना, आप कहोगे कि सर ये वर्ड कहाँ आ गया, मैं हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ, देखो कोरोना है, वर्ड कोरोना लिखा हुआ है, CORONA, कोरोना। इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट? देखिए ये वर्ड है ना, कई बार सोचते हैं हम लोग, सोचने लगे कि कोरोना का वर्ड हमने पहली बार सुना, बट ऐसा नहीं था स्टूडेंट, कहीं ना कहीं जैसे हम लेसन का रीडिंग कर रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब दिस वर्ड वाज अर्लियर फैमिलियर आल्सो, ये पहले भी लोग जानते थे इसको, बट नोबडी हैज टेकन दिस इट एज अ वेरी सीरियस। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? नाउ आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट की बात करते हैं स्टूडेंट। आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट मैन मेड सैटेलाइट है, और नेचुरल सैटेलाइट तो मून है, ठीक है। The man-made object that orbits the Earth, the satellites are launched by powerful that's a rockets in order to overcome the Earth's gravity. That's a Sputnik 1. Sputnik 1 was the first man-made satellite launched by the Russian scientists. देखिए स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन जनरली इस प्रकार के आता है, विच वाज द फर्स्ट दैट आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट, तो आप लिख देते आर्यभट्टा। नो स्टूडेंट्स, आप ये देखिएगा कि अगर उसने पूछा है कि जनरल क्वेश्चन है, तो रशियन सैटेलाइट था वो, ये रशियन सैटेलाइट जो साइंटिस्ट थे उन्होंने जो क्या था, स्पुतनिक 1 को लॉन्च किया था। देन आर्यभट्टा वाज द फर्स्ट मैन-मेड सैटेलाइट ऑफ द इंडिया। जो आर्यभट्टा था वो इंडिया का सैटेलाइट था, बट स्पुतनिक 1 कहाँ का था, वो रशिया का था स्टूडेंट्स। क्लियर है? That was Aryabhatta was the Indian first satellite, was launched in 1975. Bhaskara and Rohini, Apollo and Insect A1A, that 1B IRS 1B are the sum of the others satellites that were launched by clear students, launched by the India. The artificial satellite, they are used for the following. क्या क्या काम आता है स्टूडेंट इनका? वेदर फोरकास्टिंग, मौसम का। आपने कई बार देखा होगा स्टूडेंट, जब न्यूज खत्म होती है तो उस समय क्या आ जाता है, न्यूज खत्म होने के बाद में क्या आता है, ये इंडिया का मैप आएगा और उसके ऊपर दिखाता है कि यस वेदर फोरकास्टिंग मीन्स मौसम का पूर्वानुमान। हिंदी में क्या लिखा रहता है? मौसम का पूर्वानुमान मीन्स वेदर फोरकास्टिंग। इट इज द प्रेडिक्शंस नॉट एग्जैक्ट। मान लो प्रेडिक्ट किया हुआ ना, यस टुडे देयर विल बी थंडरस्टॉर्म्स एंड देयर विल बी रेन, बट अगर रेन नहीं आए तो आप क्या उसमें दिट इज नॉट ऑथेंटिकेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन, फोरकास्ट किया हुआ है, कोई जरूरी नहीं कि हो जाए, हो भी सकता है नहीं भी, बट समटाइम द predictions does not go wrong. वेदर फोरकास्टिंग कम्युनिकेशन पर्पसेस। आजकल अपने आप जो टीवी पे देखते हैं, लाइव मैच देखते हैं, मैच तो हो रहा है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, आप देख रहे हैं इंडिया में अपने घर में बैठ के। जो आपके टीवी के पास में एक बॉक्स रखा रहता है जिसको आप बोलते हो सेटअप बॉक्स, स्टूडेंट इट इज नॉट अ सेटअप बॉक्स, इट इज अ सैटेलाइट बॉक्स। डायरेक्टली इट रिसीव्स द मैसेज फ्रॉम द सैटेलाइट। आपका टीवी क्या है? इट इज अ रिसीवर। तो सेटअप बॉक्स आपने देखा होगा, छतरी लगी होती है आपके घर के ऊपर, वो क्या करता है, वो सारे सिग्नल को कैच करती है डायरेक्टली वायर के द्वारा। वो जो सिग्नल्स है उसके द्वारा वो सिग्नल जो है ट्रेवल करके आपके टीवी में आता है और फिर वो जो है उसको वीडियो में कन्वर्ट करके एंड यू आर एबल टू एंजॉय दैट लाइव मैच। इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? और क्या है? एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल पर्पसेस, एजुकेशनल पर्पसेस है, नेविगेशनल पर्पसेस है, अदर साइंटिफिक रिसर्च। आजकल देखो क्या गूगल जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना सर्च इंजन है, सारा दुनिया की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन गूगल पे है। और सारे अभी देखिए फोन है, पहले क्या होता था स्टूडेंट, लैंडलाइन फोन होते थे जिसमें वायर यूज करते थे। आजकल तो आपके पास क्या है, मोबाइल है, यहाँ से आप नंबर डायल करेंगे and आप डायरेक्टली क्या बोलेंगे, रिंग कहाँ बजेगा, जाके अमेरिका के अंदर। या मान लो अगर इंडिया की बात करें, यू आर सिटिंग इन करोंडा डिस्ट्रिक्ट करनाल and some of your friend which is then your friend he is working in the Chennai, or say he is working in Trivandrum, Kerala, or somewhere else in Mumbai, or immediately phone करते हैं, within fraction of second the ring, then just he will respond, he will pick your call, and you are able to everything. This communications is being possible due to the satellite, students. And objects moving around the planets in an orbits, large deep holes on the surface. Now these are given, students. Your Ketum satellite है an object which moves around the planet in its orbit. Now craters, large deep holes on the surface of the moons, then formed by the meteorites. Now meteorites, pieces of the rocks from the outer space that hits heavenly bodies. Now faces of moons, bright portions of the moon visible from the earth that changes shape in the cyclic manner, periodic rise and the fall of the water in the sea, shadow. Now, students, these are the tides. Now, eclipse, shadow formed from the moons and earth comes in the straight lines with the sun, artificial sunlight, man-made object that orbits the earth. So, student, with this, we have today completed the reading of this